Tide is the rise and fall of water. Tidal phenomena is the periodic motion of the waters of the sea, due to differences in the attractive forces of various celestial bodies, principally the Moon and the Sun, upon different parts of the rotating Earth. Tidal current, or tidal stream, is the periodic horizontal movement of the water. Flood, the movement of the water toward to the shore, or upstream. Ebb, the movement of the water away from the shore, or downstream. Set, is the direction toward which the current flows. Drift, is the speed, or velocity of the current. High tide or high water, is the maximum height reached by tide. Low tide or low water, is the minimum level to which the tide falls. Stand of tide, is the period at high water, or low water, during which there is no sensible change of level of tide. Slack water, occurs when there is no horizontal motion of the water. Rise of tide, is the vertical distance from the chart sounding datum to a high water datum. Height of tide, is the vertical distance from the chart sounding datum to the water surface at any stage of the tide. Range of tide, is the difference in height between consecutive high and low waters. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.